Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Today we have another what I eat in a day. I'm really excited for it because you guys know I love sharing with you different things that I eat to lose weight. So I have been losing weight, you guys already know this, but lately there's a couple new recipes that I've kind of figured out because every once in a while I do get bored. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Give me a second. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I had to run all the way upstairs to get the new charger. But yeah, every once in a while I get kind of bored. So lately I've come up with a few new recipes that have been really exciting me. And I've been doing really good on my weight loss journey. For a while there, I kind of just needed a good break. But lately I've been pushing at it. I'm finally at 131.8 pounds. So in total I've lost 43 pounds or 44, something like that. Either way, I'm super close to losing 45 pounds, which is exciting. But let's move on. So today's video is sponsored by Lifesum. You guys know I've been working with Lifesum for a while now. I love their app. I definitely recommend it to you guys. If you guys are starting off with your weight loss journey or you're looking to get more serious and looking to track, best app to track, hands down. So here it is. Lifesum is pretty much a tracking app, so you get to calorie count and macro count. But what I love about it is it's just so easy to read. If you look on the screen, it's easily laid out, easy to find your items. Personally, for me, if I'm not tracking my calories, then things easily get out of hand. You know what I mean? In my head, I'll be like, oh yeah, I ate 1,200 calories today, I'm good. And then really in reality, I've had 1450. So tracking just helps me make sure that I'm actually eating what I really should be eating type of thing, you know? But what I love about Lifesum is they're not just a tracking app, they're more than that. You guys can get recipes on there, you can get meal plans on there, which I absolutely love. You can also just go on there, set up your profile, and they'll tell you how many calories you need to lose weight. Also, I personally love the premium version. You just get so many more features. It's my personal favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below for you guys to download Lifesum, or if you guys wanna get the premium version, you can get 30% off using my link. So go ahead and check out the link down below for that as well. A lot of you have told me that you also have downloaded Lifesum and got the premium version and you love it, so I'm really excited about that as well. I love working with them. They're an amazing company, so just check it out. A lot of you ask me too, what calorie counter to use because there's so many out there. So I highly recommend Lifesum. But anyways, let's move on. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm eating today. I just figured I would film this intro while I'm all glammed up so you guys can stare at me with makeup on. But anyways, I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, and just everything throughout the day. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Okay, we got a lot of pots and pans on the stove today because for breakfast, I decided to kind of make pancakes, bacon, and eggs. Normally I just do pancakes, but today I want to add some bacon and eggs for more protein, and then I'll just do half the serving of pancake. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm doing. So you know I love the Protein World pancakes, literally love them, but I ran out of it, so I'm so sad. So I picked these up in my local grocery store. I like these, they're okay, but they do kind of taste like a healthy pancake, you know what I'm saying? And you know me, I like when things are healthy but taste good. But this just straight up tastes healthy. So what I like to do is I actually added already, this is about a quarter of the bag left. I already added 2 packs of stevia in this whole thing. Mix it up just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then I realized lately that I have to mix some vanilla sweetened almond milk with it instead of water and instead of unsweetened almond milk. If I use unsweetened almond milk or water, it just tastes so bland. This just helps sweeten it up a little bit and then it tastes good, you know? So plus the measurements that I do, it really doesn't add that many more calories, so it just makes it taste a little bit better. But what is good about these is that they have really good fiber. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do a small serving of that, and then I'm gonna do some bacon and some eggs. So I'm gonna start heating up my pan for the pancake. This is just some butter flavored spray. You can use a non-stick pan, that way you don't have to worry about anything sticking or adding too much oil. And I'm gonna put it just a little bit above low. I'm gonna start warming this up for the eggs, but the eggs I'm gonna do last. And then the bacon I am gonna start doing right away. Okay, so for my pancakes, I normally do 1/4 cup scoop, so I'll fill it up. But because I'm having bacon and eggs today as well, I'm gonna do half of that, because I'm just gonna do it like a little mini pancake. So I'll fill that up about half. So 1/8 of a cup. And then we'll usually do the exact amount of almond milk and then a little bit more. It usually needs just a splash more. And then that's it, just mix it up. And I usually like the batter to be kind of like that. All right, so I poured my pancake in there and I added some chocolate chips that I love to do. I love adding chocolate chips to my pancakes, so yummy. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that kind of cook until there's bubbles that form in the middle, and then I'm gonna flip it. And we got the bacon going. It's taking kind of long, I don't know why. Everything is looking good. The pancake is pretty much done. The eggs are done. I'm gonna turn off the eggs now. And our bacon is pretty much almost done. And there you go, breakfast is done. I just added a little bit of light Aunt Jemima syrup because that's the one that I like, and that's it. Okay, so for lunch, I'm just gonna quickly warm up 2 of these little mini pizzas. I'm actually gonna pop the packaging on the screen so you guys can see it. And that's it, that's pretty much what I'm gonna have. Just a super simple, easy, quick lunch since I'm kind of busy today. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys quickly what it would look like for me to add in my lunch. So I just clicked the little add button. So for lunch, I'm gonna go ahead and type in those pizzas. How do you spell it again? Oh my God. Okay, so I literally just Googled the name because I forgot how to spell it. So it's the Giuseppe mini pizzas. So let's look for it. Also, if you guys still have the packaging, you can easily scan the barcode, which makes it like 20 times easier. Oh, there we go. So 2 pizzas I had. Add to diary. Done. Yeah, so it just shows you what you entered in and everything, all the nutrition, the calories, the macros, all of that jazz. Okay, the pizzas are done. How amazing do they look? I usually like to make them a little bit more brown, but I'm like so impatient today. So I put them in for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And I always like to have some garlic sauce with it. I really like this brand because it's only 60 calories per tablespoon. But what I like to do is I added water in this bottle and I shake it up, and it's still pretty thick. It doesn't make it too liquidy, but it just, you know, lessens the calories so you can have more volume. And then for a low calorie option, I do really love Frank's Red Hot sauce as well. And there you go. That is pretty much it. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store and I finally got some fresh fruit. So I'm having a little bit of a snack. I chopped up some pineapple and some watermelon, and I'm gonna have this now before dinner. Okay, so it's dinner time and I'm watching the Fosters as always. Like, I love watching Netflix while I cook. But anyways, I'm actually gonna make some chicken skewers, but the chicken only takes like about 20 minutes to make, whereas I find potatoes take kind of long to make in the oven, probably like around half an hour. But anyways, I am going to make a couple potatoes. The reason why I'm having more potatoes is because I have rice left over, but I don't really have a lot. Like, I think this is gonna be barely half a cup. So I'm gonna kind of do rice and potatoes, and then I'm also gonna do some roasted broccoli that I just picked up fresh at the grocery store today. So yeah, this is gonna taste so yummy. I actually posted this on my IG story yesterday, and so many of you were like, please show me how you make that. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is pretty much just cut these, and then I'll show you guys what seasoning I'm gonna kind of put on top of them. Okay, so I just chopped these up. I think I'm gonna put this one back because I don't know, this kind of like seems like a lot, but even though yeah, I don't really have that much rice, so I mean, this should be good. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to put on top. So it still has a little bit of water from when I washed them, which I like that because it just helps the potatoes cook a little bit. Then I'm going to put a little bit of spray oil. Sorry, there's like no natural light today. It's such a cloudy day outside. Move that around. And then I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. I'm literally holding the camera in my underarm right now. Like, this is talent. Put a little bit of garlic. And then this, I really like to put, this is mixed herbs, so I just like to put a little bit, and it just gives it some good flavor. And that's pretty much it. Then I'll just mix everything around. So my oven is heating up right now. I like to put it on 450 because it just gets it done quickly. So what I'll normally do is put this in for 20 minutes, and then the last 10 minutes I will do the cut up broccoli because broccoli just doesn't take as long as potatoes. So total, this will take about 30 minutes. So pretty soon I'm gonna start heating up the grill and making the chicken skewers. I'm just gonna wait for the oven to kind of heat up first. But I'm gonna season the broccoli, by the way, the exact same way. So I don't have to show you guys that part. It's literally the same. Chop it up, season it the same way, and I'll just kind of like move it aside, section it off, and pop it in the oven with it. Okay, so I have the shish kebabs making. These are actually already pre-made. I'm gonna pop the packaging on the screen for you guys so you can see what they are, but I love how they're pre-made because it's easy, but they're already like you know, the calories are already all done for you. So one of them is 90, so 2 is 180, which I think is really good. So these are pretty much, oh my god, look how good that looks. These are pretty much done and good to go. So I'm just gonna let them sit here for the remaining time. Sorry, my rice is warming up in the microwave. Oh my god, how amazing do these look. There's nothing like roasted veggies and roasted potatoes. I don't know what it is, but every time the weather starts to get a bit colder, I just start to crave like roasted veggies. Okay, so dinner is ready. I always like to have it with ketchup, and what I did with this ketchup is I mixed it with water, so it just kind of like makes it less calories but still the same volume. I feel like I made a lot of potatoes, but it's all good. So you guys already know it's dessert time. I can't live without dessert. I have a sweet tooth. It just is what it is. So I love to find like low-cal kind of like alternatives and desserts. So I love this so much. This is by the brand So Delicious. This is actually soy ice cream, vanilla flavored, and they're little mini ice cream sandwiches. Like literally these taste so good, and they really, really, really make me feel like I'm still having like a little dessert, you know what I mean? And they're only 90 calories, like I said. I mean, macros are not so great, but these are what keeps me going. Like having something at the end of the night that I can enjoy is just what keeps me staying on track so that I don't deprive myself, you know? So yeah, I'm just about to have one of these, and then that'll take me at the perfect calorie amount for the day. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna get these back in the freezer before they melt. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you guys in my next one.